Fine. Let us start working on next set of problems. That is, here in this particular video you will learn the problems from 6 to 10. Right? Let us start working on it. Here in the following questions, there are two equations in x and y. You have to solve both the equations and give answers. Right? The answers options are given here. If x is equal to greater than y, then you have to select A. This is very simple one, and you can definitely score 5 out of 5. Right? Let us check out 5 problems will be there. Here, so the first equation is what they have given here is 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. The second equation they have given here is 2y square minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Right. So we have to factorize it here. Right. To start working on this, right, let us check out how we can do it here. Go with this kind of figures. So when you multiply, so 2 ones are 2, so you should get a 2. Right here, multiplication I go to this 2. Right. So plus 2 I need to get. If I add, so you should get minus 3. Right. To start working on this, right, the factors is going to be 2 ones are 2. So 2 ones are 2. Right? So 2 plus 1 is going to be 3, but we need minus 3, so that's what minus 2 and minus 1. So we are going to get what? Right here. Minus 2 into minus 1, we are going to get plus 2. Right? Minus 2 minus 1, we are going to get minus 3. Right? Now factorize it here. 2x square, right, minus 2x, right, minus x, right, plus 1 is equal to 0. Right, now 2x you take a common, right, this will become x minus 1. Similarly, take minus 1 here, so this will become x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 1 by 2 we got. Here x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 1. So this is what the answer we got, the factors, that is x is equal to 1 by 2 and as well as x is equal to 1. Similarly, let me go with this. Right. When you multiply, you should get, so 2 3s are 6, that is plus 6. When you add, you should get minus 5. Right. The factors is going to be, right, 2 3s are 6. Right. 2 3s are 2 3s are 6. Right here. So minus 2 and minus 3. So then what happens? Minus 2 into minus 3 you are going to get plus 6, minus 2 minus 3 you are going to get minus 5. Right? Factors are right. Now simplify it here. So 2y square minus, right, you need to avoid all these steps. Only for the explanation purpose I am showing you. So minus 2y, right, minus 3y, so plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? Now what happens here? 2y I will take a common. Right, what happens here? Y minus 1 minus 3 I will take a common here, so y minus 1. Right, 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, or y is equal to 3 by 2. Right, here y minus 1 is equal to 0, or y is equal to 1. By comparing this, x is equal to y, one equation, right? Then y is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Right, here y is greater than, right, x. So obviously, so the answer will be x is less than or equal to y. X is less than or equal to y. Option D is the right one. Right? Hope you understood. Let me go with the next problem here. Right, that is going to be, right, here x square plus 21x plus 110, right, is equal to 0, and y square plus 17y plus 72 is equal to 0. So here, right, so same way you can go the equation first. X square, when you multiply you should get 110, when you add you should get 21. So which we can go with this way, that is 10 into 11. 10 11s are 110 and 10 plus 11 is 21. So what happens here? X square plus 10x plus 11x plus 110 is equal to 0. x if you take common, so x plus 10 we are going to get, plus 11 if you take x plus 10, or x plus 11 is equal to 0. By observing directly you can write down x is equal to minus 11. Similarly, x plus 10 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 10. Right? We got this. Similarly, for the second, so when you multiply you should get 72. Right? Multiply you should get 72. When you add you should get 17. It is nothing but, right? 9 8s are 72, right? Plus 9 and plus 8. 9 8 is 72 plus 72. 9 plus 8 is 17, right? Now, y square plus, by just observing it here, you can able to find out easily, right? Here, x square, y square plus, when you don't have any factors here, no? So then automatically coefficient, when you don't have coefficient, you can directly do it here. Y square plus, right, 9y plus 8y plus 72 is equal to 0. Y if you take a common, so y plus 9 plus 8 if you take, right, y plus 9 you get. So y plus 8 is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 8. Y plus 9 is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 9. Right. By comparing these two, the values of x and y, we can conclude that y is greater than x, right, which means here x is less than y. So option B is the right one, right? So let us check out the eighth problem here. That is what they have given. X square is equal to 4 they have given in the first one. X square is equal to 4. So therefore x is equal to square root of 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 2. Right. So that therefore the value x is equal to plus 2 and x is equal to minus 2. Right. Now by observing, right, here when you multiply you should get 8 plus 8. When you add or subtract you should get minus 6. So which we can get it through 4 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, minus 4 minus 2 you are going to get minus 6. Right, y square, right, minus, right. So what I can do, y square minus 4y minus 2y minus plus 8 is equal to 0. Right? Y you take a common, right, you are going to get y minus 4, right, minus 2 if you take common, y minus 4. Right, y minus y is equal to plus 2, y is equal to plus 4 we got. Right. Here, so what we can find out here, like this is 8th one, right? So we can easily find out y is equal to 2, right? Y and x is equal to 2, that is x is equal to y and x is less than y. So which means x is less than or equal to y. This is what the option here, answer here is, right? So answer is going to be x is less than or equal to y. Option D is the right one. Let me go with the ninth problem here. So what they have given here is x square plus 9x minus 22 is equal to 0. Second equation is 2y square minus 7y plus 6 is equal to 0. Right. So when you multiply you should get how much? That is minus 22. When you add you should get 9. Right. The 11 2s are 22. Right. 11 2s are 22. So minus 11. Right. Plus 11 minus 2, because plus 9 we should get. So x square plus 11x, right, minus 2x minus 22 is equal to 0. X you take a common, so that is x plus 11 minus 2 if you take a common, x plus 11. Right, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x plus 11 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 9. So these two values we got of x. Similarly, let us find out for y. 6 2s are 12. When you multiply, you should get 12, that is plus 12. When you add, you should get minus 7. So 4 3s are 12, right? 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. Minus 4 minus 3. So what happens here? 2y square minus 4y minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Right? 2y I will take a common, which is going to give us y minus 2. Minus 3 I will take a common, that is y minus 2. So from this, 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 or y is equal to 3 by 2. Right? So y minus 2 is equal to 0 or y is equal to 2. Right? We got this. Right? So here, see what happens. Here, we can't able to find any relationship here. So one is negative value we got, and as well as here y is equal to 3 by 2 we got, right? So that's what. So there is, if x is equal to 0 or there is no relation between x and y, so what you can find out here, you can, so go with this. Option E is the, we can't able to find any kind of relation here. Right? No relation we can find from this. Let us go with the next one, that is 10th. Right? Yeah. 6x square. So first equation is 6x square plus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Second equation is 15y square plus 11y, right, plus 2 is equal to 0. 1s are 6. When you multiply, you should get 6 plus 6 and add, you should get 5. Right? The factors should be 3 into 2. Right? 3 2s are 6. Right? Now, so simplify it here. Factorize it. 6x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Right? So now 3x you can take a common here from this. That is going to be 2x plus 1. Similarly, plus 1 if you take, that is going to be 2x plus 1. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Right? So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1 by 2. We got these two answers are roots. Right? Let us check out this. Right? 15 2s are 30 we should get when you multiply. When you add, you should get 11. That is nothing but 6 and 5. So plus 6 and plus 5. 6 5s are 30, 6 plus 5 is 11. Right? Both are positive, right? Yeah. So let us start working on this. That is 15y square plus 5y plus 6y plus, right, then 2 is equal to 0. Right? Let me take 5y as a common here. Right here for this, that is going to be 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is plus. So 2y I will take. 2 I will take. It is going to be 3y plus 1. Right. 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 1 by 5. Right? Correct? Alright. 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 or y is equal to what? Y is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay. Minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 is there. Minus 1 by 2 is here and minus 1 by 5 is there. There is no relation we can able to find it, so that's what option E is the right one.